Hubbies, welcome back to my channel. You can still have my baby here. I was trying to make this video and she woke up, and I decided that I will not stop to make this video because she woke up. Trust me guys, I've been planning to do videos several times. All the contents I have are already inside my book, both on this my channel and on my, mind you, have an Igbo channel where I just teach basic Igbo language. Yeah, how was I inspired to teach Igbo language on that channel? Because I try to make my kids speak Igbo. I don't want them to be speaking just English, and I'm like, and it's so difficult getting them to speak Igbo. You know, it's so difficult getting them to speak. You know how kids are. It's just I and my husband that is left to teach them this language. If not, they're not going to know how to speak it. So it's like being so much intentional with them for them to learn this language. And trust me guys, growing up, it wasn't like that for me. Okay, because I grew up in Nigeria, right? It wasn't like that for me, because you don't even need your parents to teach you Igbo, because other kids are going to communicate with you. So it's definitely very easy for you to learn. But here is the other way around. If you don't teach them, they will learn. So basically, you're being so much intentional. Sorry for the noise in the background. I know it's making noise. So basically, you're being so much intentional for them to learn how to speak. Do you understand if I'm making sense? So that was the drive for me to have that Igbo channel. Since I'm being so intentional, stressing myself, working so hard for my kids to learn how to speak. What is it called? To learn how to speak Igbo. Why don't I open a channel and just also be teaching Igbo there for beginners? I'm not an Igbo teacher, just a beginner's Igbo, something that you can use and communicate. As one for Igbo, as somebody that is an Igbo girl now, from a childbirth to speaking Igbo till old age. So basically, I can speak and everything, but you know, it is what it is. So that's why I opened that channel. And my plan is that when she grows to up to 6 years, I'm going to be giving her tasks to go on that channel. I'll give her 2 videos or 3 videos that she's going to watch. After watching it, she will come and tell me everything she learned in that video. So that's it basically. And also other videos that I've outlined under my Igbo channel, that I've outlined under my Igbo channel that she's going to learn as well. I've not done the video yet because of, you know, there's no space to do it. I just need quietness with my child when I'm about to do that video. You can see the noise she's making now. I can't even do this one. I don't know if you guys are hearing me very well. Hopefully you guys are hearing me, right? So that is just it guys. So if you care to know about that channel, I'm going to leave it on the screen here. So just go to that side and check out that channel, but just Igbo language. So if you're not Igbo, I don't know if you need it. Okay, so that is it. So in this video today, I basically came here to show you guys, see guys, skincare. I've not been a skincare person, though, to be sincere. You know, growing up and my teenage life and my adulthood life before I got married, my skin has always been skinning. I don't have to do much. I don't have to stress myself. So I basically use 0 to nothing on my face, on my skin, but I still look very glittering and very bright and very, you know, very Gen Z. Do you get? So, but after I gave birth to my first child, with my first child, I developed skin tag, which I read often on internet, and they said skin tag mostly come if you have a body weight and if you're pregnant and all. So my own was prone to pregnancy, because apparently I've checked, nobody in my lineage or my family side has that skin tag. And mind you, I hate that. I dread it. I dread that stuff a lot. If you want to watch the video where I had skin tag, what is it called, you can see it, you can go and check my videos. I have videos when I remove my skin tag and stuff like that on this channel as well. So back to what I was saying. So I started you know, putting more attention on my skin, being that I've given birth to the skin tag I developed after I had my first child. And mind you, when I was pregnant with my first child, I developed acne as well. It left me so much pigmentation. So from there, I was, you know, introducing a bit of skincare to myself. You know, someone has not been used to doing, someone is not used to doing skincare. It's just a routine that I was so lazy about. Wash your face, use toner, do this. I was so much lazy about it, but I started learning. And of recent, 2023, 2024, Korean skincare went viral on the internet. People are speaking so much good about it. This is the reason why Koreans, they don't age and all that, all stuff like that. And everything they use is 100% natural with perfect result and all. Okay, so I started using 1 or 2 skincare Korean stuff like that. To be sincere, they were nice. So this particular one that went viral, the annual hat leaf, the annual products, I decided to give it a try. So I bought it here, but I've not started using it yet. These are all the products here. These are all the products here. So these are all the products here. I'm going to be opening them one by one, be showing you guys what it is. The reason I'm documenting this video is because I want, when I finish using it, I want to also come up here and tell you guys one or two things about it. Okay, I don't have acne now, but you know, being a black skin girl, most times when this acne comes around, they leave you with high pigmentation. Of course, when I had my last baby, which you're seeing right here, it wasn't that bad compared to when I had my first baby. But when I was pregnant with my son, I didn't have any acne on my face. So these are just the products. This is the, what is this one? I have to bring in them out. This is the deep cleansing foam, blah blah blah. And this is one, and this is their gentle BHA 2% gentle exfoliating toner. That's this one. Yeah, oh, it's quite small, 150. But when you see it on picture, it looks big. We're not talking about price here. If you want to know the prices, you can just go and check it out. Okay, so this is the annual silky moisture cream. I'll be leaving down below the link to this to the place I got all these products. 100% original, no. So this is the particular one that actually went so viral, that actually got me interested in trying all of these products that I'm showing you right now. The niacinamide 10% plus TXA 4% dark spot correcting serum. I hope this does wonders the way they said it. I just hope it does wonders. I'll really be excited if I use it and it does wonders like I said. So this is like intense calming cream. Let me just say moisturizer. So this is well, I've shown you guys this. I've shown you guys the moisturizer, the sunscreen, the cleansing foam, the BHA exfoliating, the dark correcting spots, blah blah blah. This is the cleansing oil. This is the cleansing oil, right? Yes, you know, your makeup, or even though you didn't wear makeup, you went outside and you walked on screen, you still need to use cleansing oil to cleanse your face. Okay, we have to be getting these things right. Okay, we have to be getting these things, I'm saying right. So that is just it, guys. And the last but not the least is this very one here. It's not actually their product, but an influencer, somebody I just love how she does her video, spoke how nice this particular product is. I decided to try it. It's a Numbazin 5+ vitamin concentrated serum brightening oxidant. So this is what it looks like. This is the, you know, what you just bring out to put on your face. And this one right here is the serum itself. So I think combining this serum with this vitamin concentrated serum, okay, Numbazin fade away facial acne scars and brighten dark spots with antioxidants, glutathione and niacinamide. Apply an appropriate amount and gently spread it along the skin texture and pat it lightly to absorb it. So guys, I'm going to try this one as well. See, when I finish trying this set of products, like trying this one, and the next one I have to try is the set of good molecules that I got, I'm done. Like, I'm totally done. Because there are so many products that say, hey, it does this, it does that. Like the recent one I'm hearing right now, I actually saved it on my phone. See, this girl is busy eating pepper. Yes. Yes, baby. And the recent one I saw, but I don't know, I don't want to get any skincare now anymore. I don't even have money to get skincare. Skincare are costly. I don't have money to get it. And if I didn't use the ones I use to take care of myself a bit, it would have been so bad. Like, my face would have been so bad. You know, you have to just self-love, love yourself, take care of yourself. You know, even if nobody wants to take care of you or nobody wants to look at you, you have to look at your own self and appreciate the way you look. Okay, so the ones I've done already, to this extent I have come, which it's not bad. I think I've actually gone a long way, being how my face was. I can show you guys different pictures here, how my face was. So I think I've actually tried. I've actually gone a long way in taking care of my skin. So guys, I'll be ending this video now. Like I said, these are the products here. When I'm done using them, I'm going to come up on this channel and tell you guys how these products are, if they really worked or if they didn't work. I don't know, apparently. But when I'm done using them, I'm going to come here and let you guys know. So thank you for watching. If you're yet to subscribe, please subscribe down below and give this video a thumbs up. See, this YouTube channel, we are not failing. We're going to keep on doing videos till YouTube algorithm locates us, till YouTube algorithm locates us. Many a times I've heard so many big YouTubers saying there's one video that shot them, it's one video that catapulted them to where they are today. That video, one video got catapult me one day, because I am not gonna stepping out from this platform. Thank you guys for watching. Share to your friends and family. Make sure you subscribe to this channel. When you do so, YouTube recommends me to high range of people, and I'll see you in my next video. Do have a wonderful day. Bye. So now let's do something. Let's get a thumbnail. So what's the thumbnail? Okay, so that is